Hello everyone and welcome to the first Creole Arbonne event. I want to take a minute to thank our guests that are here with us tonight to hang out with Arbonne and Sante Pam. Tonight you will have the opportunity to learn about Arbonne and the amazing products that they have for us. Let me introduce myself. I am Lynn. Many of you know me as the Haitian community nutritionist. I am a mom of the most beautiful 7-year-old daughter. I am a student. I work full-time as a licensed dietitian. And also I'm the host of Sante Pam. For those who don't know, Sante Pam is a health and nutrition show that focuses on the prevention and management of many health conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, kidney disease, obesity. Also, I am an Arbonne consultant. Arbonne, today we are here for Creole Arbonne, which is an event I created to introduce the Arbonne products to the Haitian community. As the Haitian community nutritionist, I want the best for my community, and that's why today we're here to talk about the products. Thank you for being here tonight. I'm gonna let the guests introduce themselves. You just say your name, what you do, and do you know anything about Arbonne?
Hello everyone, my name is Kenya Dominique. I am a makeup artist and I'm here today to support Arbonne. This is my first day using Arbonne and I use some of the products tonight and I am enjoying it so far. The products are really easy to work with. So I really enjoyed using the products on some of my beautiful girls tonight.
Well, thank you for doing our makeups tonight. So all of us, we are wearing Arbonne tonight, except for BERTHA, because she's gonna be our model. So we're gonna,
So you could see.
after that, she's gonna do the makeup for her, and then you guys will have the chance to see her doing it. So now we're gonna go to you. I'm gonna let you introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikisha, DJ Eavesdrop Edmond. I am a case manager by day, and this is my first time using the Arbonne product. I really like the way my makeup came out. So far, my teammates already giving me compliments, and I love it. I started taking pictures and posting them up on Instagram, Facebook, and even WhatsApp. So thank you. I really like it, and I will definitely be a client.
Okay, now we're gonna go to BERTHA.
Hello everyone, my name is BERTHA Pardue. I work in risk management and compliance, healthcare risk management and compliance, and I was invited here to use Arbonne products, and I'm really excited. I have a fresh face, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm excited, but based on the other individuals, I think it came out really well, and so I'm excited to see what it looks like on me.
Thank you. Okay, we have the only man in the room.
Hi, my name is Jimmy DAUPHIN. I'm a shift supervisor, I work midnight, and here I am with all the girls to experiment something new. I really like the product. I can see my face. I like it before, but I think now I'm in love, and I really like it. I'm gonna keep using it, and I invite everybody to do the same. Every man who like their face gonna be in love like I do.
Okay, well, thank you for the introductions. So we are all wearing Arbonne. I love the way I look. I feel like Arbonne really completes me because I love the way the products feel on my face and the way that I look. So I really, really love it. Now guys, there is someone I would like for you guys to meet. Her name is Marie. She's the one who got me started into this company, into Arbonne. So she's here with us tonight. She's in Canada right now, but she's live with us tonight. So we're gonna see what she has to say, and we're gonna say hi to Mary. Hi, Mary.
Welcome everyone. I'm so excited to have you guys all here with Mirlin and I this evening. We are excited to share the Arbonne products with you tonight. We have been looking forward to this event for a very long time. Everything you see and everything you hear tonight hopefully will come and ignite something in you like it has done for Mirlin and I. I've been growing my business with this company for the last 7 years, and I've not regretted one day of using the products, of sharing the products with people in my community. What attracted Merlin and I to this opportunity is something very simple. We are looking, and we are on a mission to share wonderful health and wellness products in our community. These products are like no other because this company bans over 2,000 toxic ingredients. As you probably know, everything you put on your skin is very quickly absorbed into your bloodstream. Not only that, we have products for the skin care, hair care, nutrition, makeup, so there's something for everyone. What I love about Arbonne is that I'm not incurring an additional expense. Everything in Arbonne I'm already buying from another pharmacy, from a department store, or from Amazon, so why not spend in my own online store? And you could do the same. I will tell you a bit about myself. My name is Marie-Philippe, and I'm from Ottawa. I work for the federal government in a job that I enjoy for the last 15 years. But with Arbonne, I found community, I found positive environment, I found healthy living, I found an income stream for my family, an additional income stream that I love, and I found tax advantages. I will let Merlin share the Arbonne opportunity with you. Feel free to reach out to us, to me. I'll be on the side virtually, and Merlin is there and capable of helping you with all your needs. I'm so excited, and I hope that you enjoy the Arbonne opportunity and the Arbonne products as much as I do.
Okay, so I have to say, when I met with Marie and then she told me about Arbonne, because as when you said dietitian, I've been approached by so many people in the community, and they come to me and they say, hey, we have this product, would you try it and then see if there's something that you can represent. But I research those products, I take time, research the product, research the companies, and I always go back to them and say, no, I cannot be part of that, because I did not find what I was looking for, you know, depending on those products and those companies. So when Marie told me about Arbonne, I thought it was one of those companies. So then, of course, I took my time and I researched the products. I'm a researcher. That's what I do. I research the product. I research the company. But all the questions that I had, they were answered. And even if I couldn't find that information myself, she had a bunch of people to give me those answers. So I was like, wow, it's really a family. She's not alone in this. And if I'm part of that, I'm not gonna be alone in it too.
Yeah.
So, and then what I really love about Arbonne is the fact that Mary didn't have to convince me to be part of Arbonne. The products convinced me to be part of Arbonne. And I feel like that's what so many people were trying to do. They were trying to impress me. They were trying to make me to use those products. But it's really not about that. It's about what is in those products. Most of the time we spend so many times just trying to get the result that they promise, those products. What do they promise? That's what we want. But we don't really take time and look at what's in those products, you know? Because like she said, everything that you put on your skin, your body's gonna absorb it.
Exactly.
So I know most of us, we care about our health or nutrition. We try to eat healthy, but also the healthy part starts with what you put on your skin. Because even when you're trying to eat healthy, if you don't put those products that you're using, if they are toxic, that's what you're putting inside of your body. That's just what you're doing. And that's why it's important to, for me, when I started with Arbonne, and I was like, I have to bring this to my community because it's the best that I could find. It's really the best that I could find. And those products, they're very unique, and we had a chance to chat about them earlier. I have some information here for you guys to look at about the products, to learn about what they do, what's in them. And I love that about Arbonne because they don't hide things. You can go on their website and see each one of those products, what's in them.
What I did.
You can.
When when you sent me the link.
Yeah, you did.
I
You
went
check
to the
it?
website, I checked
Yeah.
everything, I said,
Yeah.
okay, sound good.
Yeah.
I did
Yeah.
the same thing. Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
The
And
before and after pictures. It was very
yes, and we're gonna
remarkable.
share those pictures with you guys later on. We took some very, very beautiful pictures. And I have to say thank you to our makeup artist. She really, really, really helped us with this product. So to go back to Arbonne, I am very proud. I'm very proud to be an Arbonne consultant, and I'm encouraging you guys to try those products, use them, because if you care about your health, you have to care about those products that you're using, those skincare products that you're using. Arbonne banned over 2,000 ingredients. Those are toxic ingredients that they don't put in their products. And I don't have a list right now with me because it's so long, trying to save the trees. But you guys can feel free to go to the website, to my website, merlinfuon.arbonne.com, or you can just go to arbonne.com and you will find the list of those 2,000 ingredients that they ban. So hopefully you don't really have to get used or get familiar to that list, because if you start using Arbonne product, then you don't really have to worry about that list. You see what I'm saying? I would encourage you guys to go to my website, merlinfuon.arbonne.com or merlinfuon.arbonne.com. When you go to my website, you will get a special discount instead of going to the regular Arbonne page. But you know, any information that you need, you can find them on my page or just Arbonne page. I just want to say thank you for watching this. Thank you for listening. You have the opportunity to join me into this movement, so we can bring the best to our community. You can become a customer by buying Arbonne's product, trying them, or you can also become a partner with me, where we can work together and then we can bring those products to the community. That way you can get a chance to also have some extra income. I'm a mom, I can use some extra income, and I'm sure some of you guys can use some extra income. So if you would like to become a partner, let me know. Please contact me. Or if you just want to be a customer, go to my website, merlinfuon.arbonne.com. So now we are going to look at the table and the handout that I have for you guys, and we're gonna have the chance to see Bertha getting her makeup done using Arbonne products. So we'll be back. So you use that. So you use it on your face, at night.
Like a soap.
I prefer the lip gloss. I love the mimosa.
Mimosa, yes.
I love that one. What about
like
you?
the flavor?
Yeah.
First time I use makeup. I think I keep using it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
Good.
Good. Yeah.
And when she used the primer on your face?
Oh, the one she used was
Yes.
primer?
Yeah, that's the primer that she used, the makeup primer.
Okay.
The one that's the skinny one.
Yeah.
When she applied it, automatically the shininess just went away. And then when she took the actual foundation, and
Yeah.
But
It
the
looks
primer,
so fresh.
yeah, the
and
primer
clean.
automatically shows that
I
you
always
don't have
say
a lot of
it's
excess.
too much for a man using makeup and everything, but
That's not
looking
too
at my
much.
face another way, I think,
Yes.
You might
The
use a little
product
bit
work.
of makeup
yeah,
now.
maybe a little bit.
Well, maybe you don't have to think about it like makeup. It's just a way for you to just take care of your skin. Yeah, just take care of your skin.
That's what I will do.
Yeah. I mean, we
And it
already.
doesn't show.
I never
Yeah,
do.
it doesn't.
I
It
never
doesn't
take
show.
off my skin. I say, you know what, you're okay. But now, even jewelry is not something I really like.
Yeah.
shower, soap, boom, ready to go.
Yeah. But now, you know, we have to pay
Yeah.
attention. You guys
Oh,
learn, you have to pay attention to what you use because of, you know, what you put on your skin, your body's gonna absorb it.
Yes.
So you don't want those toxins inside of your body.
No, we
So you're
don't.
trying to eat healthy
Yeah,
and
I-
exercise, but
Yes,
what are we doing about
exercise.
your skin? You know, those toxins. So that's very important. Okay. All
Not
right,
only
perfect.
physically, mentally, and emotionally, you feel happy.
Yes, you will.
I think I really take care of my body. Go to the gym, work out, everything, motivate my mind, but I never think of my skin.
Yeah.
Never.
those
That's the
people that-
last thing men think
I
about.
never, I don't even think about it. Well, when I'm working, my coworkers always say, Jimmy, why you don't put any cream in your hair and your feet? I say, why should I? I say, they are blush. I say,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, good luck. But I think now I'm gonna start doing it.
That's good. That's good. See, I guess we all.
And I guess the
learn something.
moisturizing cream from our
Oh, I love
will
moisturizing.
be much more suitable for you.
Yeah, but I don't really know yet.
Do you
what-
have dry skin or
Nope.
no?
Something like you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you have always.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
like
have
me.
my skin is very dry.
No, I don't.
Very
I don't
very
have
dry.
dry skin.
So I can't. I like my moisturizer every morning. That's really where I go. That's the only thing most of the time that I use my moisturizer. Yeah.
But the way I work, I don't really face the sun.
Mhm.
I mean, every time I get up, it's 9. It's my alarm just gone.
Mhm.
It's 9, 10. When I come back, it's 6 in the morning.
Okay, you don't. Yeah,
I
you're not
see.
exposed.
Yeah, I mean,
But you know, but even the shade, you may not be exposed to that specifically to the rays, but the shade, you
Yeah.
are exposed to the shade, right?
but I still can use it. When I'm off, I want to go out and I need something make me look different.
Yeah,
That's
I mean, it's
right.
not only for the sun also, it's also
Yeah.
to keep your skin moisturized, to keep it hydrated. And most of the time we don't even drink enough water.
Because not
Oh,
only
that's-
that, you working at night too. That's
Yeah.
another thing.
That's another
Yeah.
problem. I don't really drink enough
There
water.
you go.
So keep your skin hydrated.
Yeah.
Definitely. Welcome back. So we just, our model just got her makeup done and she looks prettier. She was already pretty, but now she's prettier. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I went from a 2 to a 10 in a matter of minutes. So it feels very light. It's a great look. It feels very light. It feels very fresh. It feels very clean. There's been times where I've used other products and it's like very heavy. I have oily skin, so I don't like a lot of stuff on my skin, but this feels very, very light and I absolutely love it.
Yes, I agree. I agree. Can you please tell us, Kenya, what you use on her?
Of course.
The type of product?
So Bertha already had great skin. So to start off, I just wanted to make sure that I had a smooth palette to work with, and the primer, the makeup primer that we use on her, kind of took away all of the shine, made made her skin a little bit more smooth, gave her an instant filter. So once I did that, I went in with my foundation, and this color matched her perfectly. I didn't have to mix anything or mix two colors together. That's her perfect shade, and we just applied that all over the face, and then we finished up the look with this beautiful glowy peachy blush on her cheeks. She has gorgeous cheeks, and then we topped it out with your favorite gloss, Mimosa, on
Yes,
her lips.
that's
They're
my
both
favorite
wearing the same gloss, and it complements them differently, but so pretty. So
Thank you.
only 3 products on her face, and she
Only
looks
3
gorgeous.
products and she looks like that.
Yeah.
And it's very, very light,
It
right?
feels amazing.
Feels amazing. Okay, good. All right. So thank you so much for
Thank you.
helping us with all those products.
Thank you for having me.
Now my favorite product is the lip gloss Mimosa. And I'm just going around and ask you guys if you have a favorite one from all the products that we use today.
So my favorite product, hands down, has to be the primer.
Mine too.
It works so well. It's kind of surprising. The moment I applied it, it's a instant filter. So I could imagine myself heading to the gym, and if I have oily skin, so I could imagine myself heading to the gym and just apply this after my moisturizer to kind of like mattify my face. It gives really a fresh look, like you just washed your face look. And I applied it on our gentleman as well. He didn't really need foundation all over his face. All I did was applying the primer, and that took away all the shine from his forehead all the way down to his nose. So primer is my favorite.
All right, okay. What about you, Keisha?
Well, for me, I have two. The primer, because it removes the shine, and the foundation. Once Miss Kenya applied the foundation for me, I can tell it was going to be a 10 out of 10 because it gives me that matte look. I don't have to put extra makeup on or any concealer or any other setting powder. Once she applied that, that was just good enough for me to say, okay, I don't have to do much.
Yeah.
It's just put on the foundation, a little bit of blush, and then put a little bit of lip gloss or lipstick. I'll be out.
All right.
We only use 1 pump. I only use 1 pump on you.
One pump, wow.
Yeah, just
And you look great.
blends
Thank
really
you.
seamlessly.
Yeah, you look beautiful. Okay, what about you, Bertha?
Well, for me, it would be either the primer or the lip gloss. So the primer, typically, in the past, I've had primers where it's really heavy, but this one is very light. It doesn't have a cakey feel to it. So, you know, sometimes when you put the primer on, you put the foundation on, it just feels like you have 10 pounds on your face. I don't get that feeling, but I really like this gloss. It looks so cute on me.
Yeah,
It does. Not even a lipstick. It just looks like it was meant for you.
Right.
Thank you. So those two are my favorite products.
Okay, cool. Now, the only man in the room. First of all, how do you feel about your makeup? Have you tried makeup before? And which one from the Arbonne product that we use on you is your favorite?
It's really a freshen up, really.
Do you know that's very surprising because I'm not a person who used makeup before, but the way she used the primer in my face is like I become a baby.
You gave it that baby face.
Exactly. It's like, whoa, that's a baby face. I really like it, and I think I'm gonna keep using it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very soft, and I don't even feel that I have something on my face. It's like I just take a soap and I wash it, and that's it. But it's not. It's Arbonne on my face. I mean, you can see the difference, and I really like it.
Okay, all right, cool. All right. So we use Arbonne. All of us right now, complete. All of us are wearing Arbonne tonight. And I have to say thank you to Arbonne. Thank you to our guests, our amazing guests, especially our makeup artists, for working with us. Now I have one last question. Do you guys feel like you can do all those things on your face by yourself?
Yes.
Was it hard?
Yes.
No, was it easy? It was easy, so you guys feel like you can do it by yourself. Okay,
Very easy.
all right, okay.
The only thing I'm questioning is, do I gonna be a pet to pet myself?
For you, just your fingers. I went in with you, just applied it like a moisturizer, and it took away the
That's good
shine.
information.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have to work for nothing, just my fingers.
Just your fingers.
That's good.
I know how you guys are.
Yes, and Arbonne has a line for men, like
Exactly.
we discussed earlier. That way you can be sure that what you put on your skin, it's not toxic.
That's even better.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, so we're gonna say thank you. We have another event. We have another Creole Arbonne coming up. It's about nutrition. So I'm very excited to plan this event. I will let you guys know when that event is gonna be, and we will see you guys next time. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.